Hello, my dear lovely viewers. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Today, in this video, I am going to tell you something interesting. You know, my channel has completed 1K subscriber because we are almost 1,000 family. So, today I am really happy to share this video. When I started my channel, then I was not so confident person, but in this time I can talk with others a little bit confidently because of this type of conversation, like English speaking conversation. So this because this journey, speaking journey, helps me a lot. So that's why today I will tell you something interesting, because how was my journey, how I started my journey, because everyone wants to know that how was my journey, how I started my YouTube journey, why I think that I should start a YouTube channel. Because so in this video I'm going to clear this topic. I'm telling you telling you a story today. Okay, when I was 10th grade, then I studied every subject in my mother tongue. I think everyone know that my mother tongue is Bengali, so I studied every subject in my mother tongue, that means Bengali. So after 10th, I thought that if I want to do something interesting, or if I want to achieve my goal, then I have to know English, because I believe that English is the root of every language. So that's why I thought that I should speak English. That's why I try to speak. But when I try to speak, then I was not able to speak, because I can I can solve every English questions. I can write English, but when it comes to speak, then I was not able. So that's why what I have done, then I thought that I should speak. My teachers also suggested that you should speak, and I thought that if I want to speak, then how can I get partner to speak? That's why I saw some of, because that's why I try to make YouTube as a platform to learn English. But, because if you watch a particular topic on YouTube, then YouTube always suggests you a new topic. That's why after watching some video, one day I saw some Clapingo Conversation, Cambly Conversation. So Cambly Conversation attracted me. So that's why I just decided to join Cambly, and after joining Cambly, I do some conversation, and after doing conversation, I saw there was a lots of subscribers who are uploading this type of video. So I saw Cambly application, how to record conversation. That's why I also recorded, I also download the conversations, and that's why I decided to upload those videos on my channel. And after uploading some conversation, I feel that it's really interesting. So I continued it, and even now also I am uploading. But after doing some Cambly conversation, I thought, everyone knows that Cambly is a little bit expensive. Not little bit, for a middle class family, it's really very costly application. So after a few days, I saw Clapingo application also very good platform. In this time I am not promoting any application, or those are really brilliant application. EnglishYaari, Inktoki, I have used 4 applications. Those are really very, very interesting, because because of those application I can speak English in front of camera. So that's why so after joining Clapingo, I upload some video, and when I record the first trial conversation with Jill ma'am, it has viral little bit. I'm not saying that it has viral, it has hit almost 1 lakh, 98k. It's going to hit almost 1 lakh. So this video also motivated me to continue my profession. So that's why I started to continue my profession, and in this time I'm also uploading video. And today, because today my channel has completed 1K subscriber, it's my big achievement for me. So today I'm really very, very happy, and this is whole for you, because you all always support me, always encourage me. So that's why I am here, because I have I have read a lots of comments that has motivated me a lot. Because when I watch any comment, then when I read any comment, then I feel very happy. There is a lots of subscriber who are motivated me a lot, because that's why I try to sometimes in this time, even now also, I have not get any hate comment even now also, but it's my big achievement that I have not get any hate comment in this time. This is how my journey was, and this is how I started my YouTube channel. To if I talk about my YouTube journey, how long it takes to complete 1K subscriber, because every YouTuber says that, every YouTuber I think lots of YouTuber who are always says that my journey was too long. It's true. It's absolutely true that to complete 1K subscriber is not a easy deal. It's a very big deal. But in this time, my channel has not take lots of time. It has take almost 4 months. Actually 5 months ago I was uploading mathematical video, and before 4 month back I was started to upload English related video, like conversation video, and that's why it has taken almost 4 or 5 months, you can say 5 months. So 5 months. So my journey was really very, very interesting. I never feel bored, because it was really a happy moment for me. So if you want to create your channel, then you can, because you don't have to think about subscriber, views. You have to think about your content. Always you have to. If you watch my previous video and if you watch my present video, then you will you will able to find a lots of difference. Because when I started my channel, then I was not able to edit video correctly. I was making a lots of mistake, but in this time I can edit little bit, because there are lots of my brothers who are helping me a lot, like my cousin brother, my friends always helps me a lot. I really, one day I will show you, they never make fun with me, they always inspire me, they always motivate me. That's why I am here, and definitely I will do something for you, because if I upload just only English conversation video, it will help you. It is not that it will not help. It will not help you, but definitely I will try to upload grammatical videos also. I will give you some motivation also, how to be fluent. Because don't think that, I always say this quotes, like everything is easy if you are crazy, nothing is easy if you are lazy, and practice makes man perfect. Okay, and if I say you that, I can one of my favorite quotes is that, because the winners is just experienced failure. So don't think that you are failure, because failures are just are winners. So don't think that. It was my little bit journey, because it was not so struggling journey, but it was really very adventurous journey for me. So definitely I will upload another video recently. And so bye for today. Have a nice day. Take care.